I ran them back. So, Rocky and them is cooking. The shit is off the hook. What you making, Rocky?
Chicken fried steak.
Chicken fried steak, but vegan chicken fried steak. What? Let me see. What's that, Beyond?
Yeah.
So we on
Beyond,
quarantine.
And then I used, as like the fry, I used just eggs too.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
That worked really good.
I can't wait. So it's important if you're on quarantine, and for us at least, the food is like a big deal. And Rocky loves to cook. So I think if you're going to be on quarantine, you should be on quarantine with wifey that likes to cook. Because I'm definitely having a ball. Yeah, so, another day goes by. I get a lot of time to sit down and think and shit like that. I'm reading the 6th script. The script is nuts. That shit is like on some Oscar shit. I think I could do it. And I got my daughter, walk the dog. The shit to do. To be honest, what I'm understanding is like, my life has really not changed. It hasn't been so affected. I guess I live in sort of a bubble anyway. It's just like I cut, not to say cut, but, there's certain people that can't come in the house because I don't know where they've been. You know what I mean? And I can't play. So it's just been me, Rocky, Nicolette. We've been working every day. We've been able to focus on things I haven't focused on before. And my outlook on this is, you can't be great without a fight, right? So if this is the fight that's going to make me great, then I'm going to look forward, I'm going to embrace it, and I'm going to win. And I'm only going to have a positive outlook on it. And every time I hear about something that's happened to somebody else, I feel for them, but it just makes me tighten up. It makes me get stronger. You know what I mean? Only thing I worry about is the people that I can't control. The people that I love that are still doing everything they want to do. And they got to learn their own way. But the thing about loving people is when they hurt, you hurt. You know what I'm saying? Like the crazy thing is I ain't been on my block daily in literally like 25 years. But every time somebody goes to jail, time somebody gets killed or dies, you feel it, just like you did. You never leave where you from, if you're really from there. So there's people you worry about. Like the only way I could really be hurt, because I could take any kind of pain, I'm with it. But when people I love are hurt, that's what really hurts. And that's where the karma kicks in. So my worry ain't about me, it be for everybody I love. You know what I'm saying? But I know I'm going to win. Period. Or at least I'm going to do everything I got to do to win. So let's say I don't, I know I gave 100. If I give 100, to me, I won anyway. You know what I'm saying? Period. There is no loss when you give, we out of papers? Oh, no. It is no loss when you give 100. You know what I'm saying? There is no loss. And if you keep calm while everybody else is bugging out, then you will be able to pick up something. Because, the masses go crazy. And we're meant to be controlled. The only way to control the masses is if you got everybody thinking one exact same thing. Everybody got to be thinking the same thing. They got to be listening to the same rule. And they all got to be scared of the same shit. And then that's the way you get controlled. You know what I'm saying? So, even though there's some things and guidelines that we have to abide by and be conscious of, I'm not going to be scared. That's the one thing I'm not going to do is feel fear. I'm going to know that I need to be conscious. It's like when I cross the street. I'm not scared to cross the street. I know there's a car that can hit me, but I know to wait for the stop sign. And I know how to stop when it's coming, or if I got to run. But I'm not going to be a victim. You know what I mean? I know I'm not doing that. That's what I'm not going to do. But the shit that be bugging me out is really these people that be like, I don't care if I got the corona. And they want everybody else to feel bad because they feel bad. And that's how that's how a lot of people are. Just because they fucked up, they want you fucked up. If they got dealt a bad hand, they feel like everybody else deserves a bad hand. And that's the test. When you get a bad hand, you're not supposed to look at it like I want everybody to feel my pain. You're supposed to look at it like I'm going through pain so no one else has to go through the pain. And that's really the way I see things. We don't usually be eating this late. But we Nah, we went and got Tallulah. We had to walk the dogs. We walked the dogs for like an hour. Dogs get walked for like an hour, so they be nice and tired. So yeah, so like I'm saying, when you go through pain, you're not supposed to want everyone else to feel it. That's some selfish shit. When you go through pain, you're supposed to say, I'm going through this so the people I love don't have to. And then you make sure they don't go through the same thing that you went through. That their life isn't filled with the same problems that your life. It makes no sense for people you love to go through the same problems that you go through. You're supposed to definitely protect them from that. You know, that's how I see it at all times. You know? Let me see what we're doing. Yeah, definitely. A lot of times people want you to fail because they fail, but they also, when they see you taking a chance that they're scared to take, they start to hate. They start to tell their friends it's bad and all that. And these be the closest people to you. It's crazy. You know, the resentment people have for you because they're too scared to do what you're doing. And they want to make you look bad. But to me, as long as you're doing what you love, and as long as you try 100 fearlessly, that's never a loss. You just can't lose. I don't care what people say. You know? I don't care what scared people say about me being fearless. Like, you can't tell me how to be fearless and you scared. That's the emotion I don't want to feel. You about to eat? All right, cool. So this is a big deal. I'm going to make myself a drink. We're going to eat. You know what I mean? Then watch some movies. So everybody check out. I just did a Skype with Tori Hart. She's in the TV show. And then, so I'm going to play that tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm a world premiere the Line 'Em Up video. And also T Grizzly's going to do a performance, a very safe performance from Dame Dash Studios. So we'll be live on the IG with that. And it'll be live from T Grizzly's IG. And also the people that are sponsoring it. So that'll be fly. But the thing is to show that in a safe way, you can still be productive. Like, just because you're sitting at home don't mean you can't do nothing. It's like, you know, when there's issues and when things are not the way they are usually, then it's your opportunity and your responsibility to really think about an alternative way to make things happen, to call an audible. And you got to be prepared for that. You know, and this is one of them days. I'm sure like damn near everybody that has some business plans or things that were going to happen this month or next month, they got to be fucked up. Look, see? We about to eat. Ooh. Rocky be laying it down, look. Got the homemade iced tea, the salad, ooh, the chicken fried steak. I'm going to need to eat all that. What you doing right now, Nicolette?
I'm changing something on the site.
Oh, see? Nicolette's still working at the dinner table. So dinner is important to us, and I think that all families should take the time to sit down and eat. Rocky makes sure that we sit down and eat at a table every day. Right or wrong, Rock?
Right.
Why is that important to you?
Because it brings you together and makes you talk, and dinners should be enjoyed together because somebody took the time to make it for you.
See what I'm saying? That's that shit I'm talking about. Real living, that's wealth. Knowing how to live, sitting down and eating at a table. Like, I appreciate that shit. Because for a good majority of my life, I didn't sit down at a table and eat with my family. Only on Thanksgiving and Christmas. But I think every day should be a holiday. You're not supposed to sit down with your family on holidays and only on holidays. You're supposed to sit down with your family every day. Every day's supposed to be a holiday. Every day's supposed to feel like a vacation. Why shouldn't it? And that's what I've learned. There's no reason not to enjoy life every second, every day, and to marinate. And when shit like this happens that you can't control, you're like, yo, my life is so good, I'm not going to be mad at it. I'm just looking forward to when it's over so I can get back to it. But until then, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Until then, I'm good. So, you know, like I said, I'm going to come back. I came back through. I got to eat dinner. I got to sit down and eat dinner. Okay, I got to eat dinner. So I'll let y'all later. Tomorrow, definitely check out the T Grizzly live event. Go to Dame Dash Studios. Check out check out Dress to Kill, and look forward to more content. I'm gonna go live tomorrow. I'm gonna keep going live. I'm gonna keep talking to y'all. Big shout out to everybody that's rocking with me, that understands that's like-minded, that wants to change, that wants to evolve, that doesn't mind being disruptive, that doesn't mind fighting for what you believe in. Rocky's eating, so I'm out of here. Look, she's like the rice getting cold. All right, I'm out. Later.